Hi everyone, this is Miriam, and today we have this brilliant platform, WizIQ, and we are going to see how to use the features of virtual classroom to deliver more effective online classes. And as you can notice, this is an online virtual classroom which allows you to communicate with students using audio and video devices. If your video option is on, then you will be able to see your video streaming right here. Underneath the video, we have the chat box to communicate with your students. And if you wish to communicate with any of your students through a private message, you can click on Private Message tab and click on Create Private Room and select the student you would like to communicate privately with. Let's get back to class conversation. Alright, so on the top of this amazing virtual classroom, we have this record button that is blinking here, as you can see. It means that the recording is on. And if you want an upcoming part of your lesson not to be recorded, you just click on pause. So now the recording is paused. Okay, let's get back to recording. All right, then we have the option here of audio and camera. So if you want to enable them, just click on this, and when it's in green, that is to say it is enabled. The same as for the camera. Next off, it's the timer. It gives you an idea about how much time you still have, and also if you think that the duration is not enough to conduct the rest of your class, then here it is a brilliant button right here that allows you to lengthen your session by 30 minutes. And here, if you want to end the session, you just click on it. Next to that, we have polls. Alright, let's see it. So this poll feature is simply an option which gives you the feasibility and practicability to pose questions to your students. So you just click on New Poll and write the question. You can also write down two options to enable your students to choose the correct one. And if you want, you can add more, like more than option, maybe 3, 4, 5, okay? So if you click on Save, it won't be published until you use this button here, which is Publish. And this is if you want to see the poll list. So this is a really good option in WizIQ. And after we have the layout change. The layout change is just an option that enables you to change the layout of your virtual classroom, and we have a lot of options. So this is basically if you are presenting a PowerPoint presentation, you can use this because the center is very wide. And also here, as you can see, we're focusing on the video. Actually, this is my favorite layout. We have here Share Screen. It allows you to share whatever you want on your screen with your participants, such as PowerPoint, a website, or maybe a video on YouTube. Okay, all what you need to do is just click on it. So you need to download. Okay, this means that I have to download the extension. So it's very simple. By the way, when it is enabled, you will see a red light right here. So moving on to people. Whenever you want to discover who is attending your class, you just click on people and you will be able to see the list of participants, and also you can control their audio and video devices. And as you can see, there is no people here, no one has enrolled, just me. And we have here the notification. Okay, so now let's get back to the center of the classroom. You are having many options: YouTube, whiteboard, content, code editor, and media player. So let's go to video and see what we've got here. So for example, you want to show your students a video clip. You just copy the link and you paste it right here. So as you can see, enter the URL, and then you click on this and the video will be played. Next off, we have the whiteboard. So as you can see, the whiteboard has different options, like the colors, or maybe the strokes if you want to choose pen or highlighter. Let's see, pen, brush, highlighter, also shapes. This one is for transform, a hand tool. We have the eraser if you want to delete something, and text. This is my favorite because it's very easy to use, and like the brush or the pen, so you click on it and you type your text. Here, if you want to add an image, and here we have undos and redos. Here for content, it's very easy. Let's say like for example, if you want to share a document or a PDF, you click on choose a file. For example, you click on this. Anyways, you browse using your desktop and you choose the file that you want to share with your students. Okay, so you can choose here any document. Let's take this an example. So now it is uploading, and you really have to wait until it is uploaded. And we have here code editor, a media player. It's basically you choose the media player and you browse using your desktop. So these are the features of the virtual classroom with WizIQ. As you can see, it's very easy to use. It's practical, and I think the students will be also happy to participate and join the class if you are using this amazing platform. Thank you so much for watching and see you later.